Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, December 10th. Just one trade, which we had 30% of our normal size, as you see here on the screen. Just not a whole lot going on this week. It's very slow. We did have some data this morning, but it was initial jobless claims, which is a weekly number, so you don't put a lot of weight into it. Although it did miss, meaning there were more claims, or their initial jobless claims, right? So more initial jobless claims filed than estimated by 12,000 more than estimated. The jobless claims in the U.S. rose last week to a 5-month high, yet here the Fed next week wants to raise rates. Everyone else in the world, every other central banker in the world, ECB, Japan, UK, you name it, they're lowering rates, right? They're freeing up money. Here, the Fed is so steadfast. They want to save face, really, because they had a window of opportunity. I believe they had a window of opportunity over a year ago to raise rates, but then they had a window of opportunity this spring to raise rates. They didn't take it. And then they passed again in August and July, August and September, and then again in October, as we all know. And yet they've been saying, coming into 2015, they were saying they're going to raise rates, going to raise rates, going to raise rates. And here it is, the last month of 2015, they still haven't raised rates. So any credibility the Fed may have, they want to hold on to, and they're going to raise rates. And they're claiming that, unemployment is so low, 5%. They've created millions of jobs, that the economy is growing, and it's all false. Don't let them fool you. It's all false. And that's the reason they want to raise rates. And we've discussed this numerous times. We're all for raising rates, and we're for raising rates to create good inflation, to get back to normal levels instead of this new normal type thinking. Let's get rates back to where they should be, and let's let the market take a hit. Let's let the dollar rally. But that'll all be short term, because once you create good inflation, the economy will start rocking and rolling. There'll be more money coming into the government. Hopefully the politicians do the right things with the money. They do the right thing with the budgets. They do the right thing with taxes. But they're not telling us that. They're saying they want to raise rates because everything is so good. What are they going to do when the economy gets worse? What are they going to say? They're going to continue to raise rates because now the economy's gotten worse than when it was December of 2015. It's actually insane what's going on, but that's the environment we're in, so we'll have to deal with it the best we can. Anyway, other than that one economic data point, there was really nothing else out there. We had one trade, which actually was last night. 30% of our normal size in a short of US dollar Japanese yen. We were short from 121.608. We had 30%, so we did piece it out. Our last piece, we got stopped at basically break even. So our average price where we got out of it all was 121.465, picking up 14.3 pips or 4.2 on a size adjusted basis. And you can see what it did overnight. Tried to run up, pretty much went just 15 pips or so, 16 pips from where we shorted it, and then rolled back over throughout the night. And then early this morning, it really hasn't done a whole lot. You can see there's not a lot of movement here. So we probably expect tomorrow there's retail sales, so we might get some action short term a little bit. Maybe you see some action Friday morning from that. And then all the attention now and going into Friday and Monday and Tuesday, even though if you get pockets of economic data, is really, the Fed meeting, which I believe is Tuesday or Wednesday, where they're going to announce their interest rate decision. So, everyone's waiting for it. It's an 80, I believe the odds are about 80% that they will raise rates, the Fed Fund futures odds. So you should really expect that they're going to be raising rates, and to hear it all over the press. Anyway, that's it. We're going to wrap it up. Good luck trading. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight or tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.